In order to solve this math problem, I'll begin a new sketch on the front plane in Edit Sketch mode. I'll go to Tools, Sketch Entities, Equation-Driven Curve. Or I can launch the command from the ellipse drop-down on the Sketch toolbar. In the first field, SolidWorks asks me to enter my equation in terms of x. If the text appears in black, your equation is entered correctly. Next, in the parameters section, SolidWorks asked me to specify a discrete range of values that I'd like to sketch this curve over. I'll hit the green check and the curve is added to the sketch. I'll fix it. For linear equations, repeat the same steps. Next we will use the boss extrude command. Go to Evaluate tab menu. You can find the area you want by using the Measure tool.